just stepped in to see you all. I'll only stay a while. I want to see how you're getting on. I want to see you smile. I'm happy to be back again, to greet you big and small. For there's no place else on earth just like the Homes of Donegal.
I long to see your happy faces smiling at the door, the cattle swinging on the cook as I stepped up the floor, and soon the teapot is filling up. My cup is far from small. Sure, your hearts are like the mountains in the Homes of Donegal.
I love to sit along with you and while away the night with tales of yore and fairy lore beside your fireside bright, and then to see prepared for me a shakedown by the wall. There's repose for weary wanderers in the Homes of Donegal. Now the time has come when I must go. I bid you all adieu. The open highway calls me forth to do the things I do. And when I'm tramping far away, I'll hear your voices call. And please God, I'll soon return unto the Homes of Donegal. Yes, please God, I'll soon return unto the Homes of Donegal.